Hey everybody, Burke here from Focus Physical Therapy. If you have a foam roller and you've just been using it to roll out your muscles, you are missing out on some great exercises. Stick around for this short clip. I'm going to show you a few of my favorites. So I love foam rollers because they're affordable, they're portable, they don't take up a whole lot of room. They come in a lot of sizes and densities and shapes even, and they're very effective. So I use mine almost every day, and I don't have a fancy foam roller. And for today's exercises, we're just going to use a smooth roller. If you have a roller that has some bumps or knobs on it, something maybe that you use to roll out your muscles, that's fine. I think the smooth one for what we're going to do today is a little bit better. So guys, that's it. I hope this has been helpful. Here's a few tips for you. Move slowly. Work on your balance. Part of this is learning to relax and balance on the roller. Don't fight it. Don't tense your muscles. Really find the points of balance and work with those while you're doing things. Don't forget about your breathing. Breathing is a sign that you're working within what your body's capable of and you're not creating extra tension. So make sure that you're breathing rhythmically in a relaxed way while you're doing these exercises. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have questions about any of these exercises or you have other requests, things that you'd like to see, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to speed on all of our videos. Have a great day.